Dear students of IGNOU St. James Binaguri, this is your academic counselor for English, Mr. Shubhamoy Banerjee, and today I am bringing you a very short video for your English short stories, and today we are going to discuss the short story of O. Henry after 20 years. So please sit back and follow this video till the end. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Dear students of IGNOU St. James Binaguri, on your screen you see an illustration of one of the scenes of the short story After 20 Years, written by O. Henry. Here the man who is on your right hand side is actually Silky Bob, the wanted criminal who is from Chicago, and the man who has his hand inside his coat pocket and is standing on the left hand side is actually a policeman in plain dress. He has come to arrest Bob. So what is the story all about? There were two friends, Jimmy Wells and Bob, and they were young and they wanted to do something with their lives. They wanted to make their careers, but they were not able to do much. So one day, or rather one evening, in the city of New York in the USA, they went for dinner together at a restaurant. And when they came out of the restaurant, they made an agreement with each other that the two of them would move in their own individual directions in life and see if they can make their fortunes in life. And they will be meeting exactly at the same spot just outside the restaurant at the same time. That is the time at which they were separating after 20 years. So this understanding between the two friends takes place 20 years before. Now the story begins after 20 years with the scene of how a man, in this case it is Bob, is walking up and down the street near the restaurant and is impatiently looking around and consulting his watch because he's waiting for his friend Jimmy Wells. Suddenly he sees a policeman coming towards him, and of course the policeman he does not recognize, but the truth is that this policeman is no other than Jimmy Wells, his old friend. But he does not recognize him, and this policeman recognizes Bob, and he also recognizes that Bob is the most wanted criminal or fugitive in Chicago. So what he does is, after talking to Bob for some time, he does not reveal his true identity. He goes back to the police station. Meanwhile, Bob is not able to understand who this man was. He takes him for a policeman and he continues to wait for his friend. After some time, another man approaches Bob. This time, it is the man whom you see in the picture with his hand in the coat pocket. This man, by mistake, Bob thinks this man is actually his old friend Jimmy Wells. Initially, because of the darkness, he is not able to see his face and is not able to recognize him. So they talk, but after some time, this man says that he is not Jimmy Wells. He arrests Bob and he then gives him a note. What is a note? It's a piece of paper on which something was written. Who had given this note? The actual Jimmy Wells had given this note. And in that note, it was mentioned clearly, this is where the final twist in the story comes, that I had kept my promise. I came to meet you. It was actually me whom you met at the exact time. But when I realized that you are the most wanted fugitive of Chicago, I decided that duty comes first. Being a policeman, it was my duty to get you arrested. I had seen your pictures in the police records, so it was my duty to get you arrested. So this is basically the fact of the story. On your screen, I have provided you with the summary of the story as well as a short explanation of the theme of friendship, loyalty and trust. You can take a screenshot and you can utilize this for your answers. Thank you very much. I hope I could help you to some extent with this short story.